Okay, it's going to be 1st October tomorrow, so here's going to be a big fireworks show in the river. Just here you can see there are 4 big boats parked with big platforms. It's going to be a big firework for the National Day of China. Which National Day is it? 60th? 65? 61st National Day. And they are blocking the road here. Nobody can drive there by the riverside. Ooh, that's a secret car, secret service car, black car, man in black maybe. Well, I think we have a very good view of the whole thing from here, from our apartment. Let's wait. Okay, we are in our other bathroom and we found that from this window we have the best view in town for the coming of firework tonight. And here are these 4 boats. They're almost ready. Man, that's some view, right? Beautiful. So let's see when they will start. Oh, it started already! Suddenly! Go to the toilet and watch from there too. Those are some big ones, right? That's too much smoke. We have to breathe it, man.
There is better.
Bathroom is better?
Bathroom, yeah.
Okay, hold on. Oh, look at those lanterns. Are they writing something?
No.
That's it?
Should have. 没吃吧？是啊。
国庆快乐。
国庆快乐。
Yeah, see, there are words actually. They wrote something. Well, they use fireworks to write Chinese characters. Look at the traffic and look at the people here, man. Whoa. I would say let's conclude this. That's it. It's the beginning of the National Day holiday here in China. One more National Day for China. Happy holidays. Enjoy. More RC videos are coming.